The general objective of this week is to highlight the role of the Mediterranean forest in the Paris Agreement, in the climate change issue. And every time we think about climate change, people go and think about the big Amazon forests, the big African forests, etc. But the Mediterranean forests are very important. They have a very important role, mainly because our region, the Mediterranean, is very prone to the modification, to the changes to the climate change. And therefore, the communities in the Mediterranean will be much more affected. We are in a country where 60% of the area is prone to desertification. Therefore, it is very important for us to highlight to the international community the importance of the Mediterranean forest in the mitigation of the climate change. With the climate change impacts, we have less rain period. We can have still enough quantities of water, but the period of rain is getting more shorter and shorter. That means the dry period is getting longer, which is giving more risk to the forest, giving more difficulties to the natural regeneration of the forest. In this sense, we have faced also the emergence of new species of insects that were not in Lebanon before, and now we're seeing them. Some of them they were not in the Mediterranean. One of them, for example, is Leptoglossus. It's a new insect that is coming from the Americas, reached Europe, and now is, since 2-3 years ago, is affecting the Lebanese pines, decreasing the yields, etc. Communicate the problem and communicate the solutions or the potential solutions to the community. You have the scientists, you have the decision makers that are facing the problem, that are seeing it from a different point of view, but the population can see it from a different point of view. We need to communicate to them, to show them the importance of the problems so they can know how to act and react toward it. Another kind of communication is between the scientists. We're having the same problems now. So instead of starting from scratch, as we say, we can benefit from the experience of other countries that have faced already the same problems that we are facing now. And this would save a lot of money, a lot of time in order to be able to face these climatic change problems.